Let us solve our own problems. Kindly remove your EVS 1 textbook. Can you tell me, children, what problems can you identify from the following picture? What all problems can you see? See, my area gets water only thrice a week. So this girl has a problem that she gets only water at her place thrice a week, means 3 times a week. Second problem, the garbage has piled up. I have to walk to the school with my nose covered. See, children, this boy is walking and he has covered his nose because the garbage bin is full. Okay, so it is stinking and nobody is picking up the or cleaning up the garbage bin. Okay, so the government is not doing its work. Third problem, I feel like riding my bicycle to school every day, but there is no bicycle track. See, in foreign countries, you must have seen there are separate roads, or the road is divided into 3 lanes where on the left side you can ride your cycle. Okay, but in India there are no provision. Fourth problem, my father has to visit the taluka place every day for some dispute over the land. Okay, some land dispute. So these children are having some or the other problem in their day-to-day life due to lack of facilities, or things are not organized properly. Issues in civic life. Civic life means in our society. We encounter many problems in our civic life. Civic means society. Civil life. This problem causes us inconvenience. Sometimes our life is thrown into disorder. Thrown into disorder. If we try a blind eye towards problem, they become worse. So it's best to solve them in time. The problem faced by people in cities and villages can be called problems or issues in civic life. It is important to be able to identify such issues. One person alone cannot solve such problem. Okay, they can be solved through everyone's effort and cooperation. So see, there are problems in the area which are faced by the people. Okay, those problems are known as civic problem, whether it is in cities or in villages, and one person cannot solve all this problem. We need everyone to come together and solve the problem. Okay, how, children? That we are going to learn ahead. Everyone should be putting efforts. We will not spit on the road. We will throw the garbage in the garbage bin only. We will not throw garbage on the road. We will what else? We should not dump anything on the road. So for bringing changes in the society, you require cooperation and efforts from everyone. Okay, children? Solving disputes. Disputes arising over various issues in our town and villages can also be a problem. Okay, disputes. There are differences in opinion. Then there are differences. Every person has their own point of view. So this all things can also bring problem in our town and villages. The well-being of villages is affected by constant dispute. How, if there is if the progress is not there, it is just because of the dispute. If everyone thinks positive, if everyone thinks progressive, सब अच्छा सोचेंगे तो हमारे विलेज का प्रोग्रेस होगा. It leads to loss of unity and obstructs the progress of the village. If the disputes are not serious, they can be solved locally by speaking in the parties involved. If the dispute, if the problem is not big, then it can be solved within the area by talking to the parties involved. Okay. However, if the dispute is not solved in this way, it has to be taken to the appropriate bodies or the courts. If there is no mutual understanding, अगर हम एक दूसरे से बात करके प्रॉब्लम नहीं सॉल्व कर पा रहे हैं तो वो कोर्ट में या गवर्नमेंट बॉडीज में जाएगा, ग्राम पंचायत, जिला परिषद, कहीं भी जाएगा. ओके. There is some Mahatma Gandhi dispute free village mission. Okay, this is a bill sort of for the well-being of the villages, to bring changes in the society. Okay, to bring changes in the villages, should be able to solve their dispute through the peaceful discussion. This method of solving dispute increase harmony in the villages. Means आपस में ही सॉल्व कर लेंगे, इंस्टेड ऑफ टेकिंग इट टू कोर्ट और एनी गवर्नमेंट बॉडी. लेट अस सॉल्व इन द विलेज ओनली. Dispute free village mission. Villages which have solved their dispute by using this method are also get a peace award. Okay, those who have solved their problem among themselves, they are awarded by a peace award. In cities, mohalla committees help to solve disputes. Okay, who help to solve disputes? In cities, mohalla help to solve dispute. This type of committee, dispute free village mission, and Mahatma Gandhi dispute free village mission. Kindly underline it. Okay, children. Problem solving. Have you heard about this attempt at solving problems? Hiware Bazar. In the village of Hiware Bazar in Ahmednagar district, water shortage was a big problem. This problem was solved with the help and the participation of the villagers. Okay, there is this Hiware Bazar. There was a major problem, shortage of water. ठीक है, पानी का बहुत प्रॉब्लम था. They have solved the problem with the participation of the villagers. मतलब villagers, उधर ही प्रॉब्लम था, विलेजर्स को लेके ही उन लोगों ने प्रॉब्लम को सॉल्व किया. नाउ लेट्स सी हाउ. The problem of animal feed was also solved. Okay, now Hiware Bazar has lush green surrounding. Many villages face water shortage. Find the reason for this and suggest solution. Okay, lots of villages have water shortage. Now we will learn how we can solve this problem. Okay, you all suggest cleaning a village through shramdan. Cleaning a village through shramdan. Please underline this. The people of Khudawadi village in Osmanabad district cleaned their village through Shramadan or voluntary contribution of labor. Means लोग ही बाहर आके cleanliness करने लगे. They decided that everyone should help in cleaning the village. First, the wastewater was dealt with. गंदे पानी को पहले उन लोगों ने सॉल्व करने का कोशिश किया. Then the garbage was used to make manure using vermiculture. Okay, जो कचरा था उसको manure बनाया, मीन्स खाद बनाया. A toilet was built in each house. Okay, मैन्योर हर मतलब बाहर जाते थे लोग ओपन प्लेसेस में फॉर वॉशरूम, सो दे हैड बिल्ट अ टॉयलेट इन एवरी हाउस. सो थोड़ी प्रॉब्लम तो सॉल्व हो गई ना. एवरीवन इन क्लेanliness आ गया. दे डेल्ट विद इट. ओके. संत गाडगे बाबा यूज कीर्तन्स टू स्ट्रेस the importance of keeping the village clean. See, there are Sant Gadge Baba who Gadge Baba used kirtan to stress the importance of keeping the village clean. He told the people that we cannot make progress without cleanliness, education and self-reliance. We showed people how to clean the village through his own action. खुद करके दिखाते थे कि ऐसे करना है, वो करेगा, ये सब नहीं, हम सब मिलके करेंगे. राष्ट्र संत तुकडोजी महाराज. Please underline all these names. संत गाडगे बाबा, राष्ट्र संत तुकडोजी महाराज, Tukdoji Maharaj explained the importance of cleanliness through his Gram Gita. Okay, Gram Gita. Gram means गाँव. Okay, मिळून करावे ग्राम सफाई. नाली मोठी मिळून करावी ग्राम सफाई. नाली मोठी ठाई हते परहस्ते साफ सफाई चहुकाडे मार्ग. He is trying to say, please let us clean the village and सब मिलके करेंगे. So these are the two sant which has tried to spread the message in the villages, the importance of cleanliness. Newspapers carry several articles about Shramdan. Okay, Shramdan. Collect this article, discuss the things that can be achieved through it. You all people also search something from the newspaper and try to bring solution. How you are going to do? You all eat chocolate and throw the wrapper in the classroom only. That is wrong, no? You should throw it in the dustbin. For a society to be peaceful, the basic needs of all its sections need to be met. Each person must get the necessary security. The exploitation in society must stop. Inequality must decrease. Everyone must have the right to participate in public life. By living the importance of peace and by using peaceful method, we can create a peaceful environment in our family, school and community. So they are saying, for a society to be peaceful, the basic need of its section needs to be met. Each person must get the necessary security. Okay, सबको security मिलना चाहिए. If you are staying in a society, the exploitation in society must be stopped. What is exploitation? Cheap labor. फिर rich becomes more rich, poor becomes more poor, because हम उसको काम करवा लेते, उसको पर उतना पैसा नहीं देते. तो that is wrong, no? We are inequality must decrease. सबको equal rights मिलना चाहिए. Okay, so these all things will bring changes in society. In order for peace to spread worldwide and for nation to be able to strive for the development of their people, 21st September has been designated by UN a International Peace Day. Please underline. See, even I have underlined for you. Please underline this. On this day in New York, where the United Nations have their headquarters, a bell is rung at 10 o'clock in the morning. This is followed by a few moments of silence. This bell has been made from coins given by people around 60 nations. Okay? This bell is made with the coins given by people around 60 nations. So this is very important. If you would see, underline this: 21st September, UN or International Peace Day. If you would like to see, you can go to this website and check. Children, always remember, if there is peace in the family, school and society, everyone will benefit. Okay? शांति, हम लोग बोलते हैं ना, शांति शांति, please keep a peace. Peace contributes significantly to progress. It creates scope for advance in various fields like business, industry, education, art, literature, entertainment, science, and technology. In this way, peace becomes a social value rather than a personal need. Okay, children? Now, what we have to remember, these are very important points. Everyone has a personality responsibility to solve problem in civic life. Civic means अपना social life, society. Problem can be solved if everyone cooperates. सब मिलके करेंगे तो ही problem solve होगा. Dialogues and discussion can help solve disputes. खुद नहीं करना है, मारना नहीं है. क्या करना है? मिलके काम करना है. डायलॉग एंड डिस्कशन, आपस में बात करके सॉल्व करना है. डिस्प्यूट्स कैन बी सॉल्व पीसफुली. इफ देयर इज पीस इन द फैमिली, स्कूल एंड सोसाइटी, एवरीवन विल बेनिफिट. पीस से ही बेनिफिट होगा, नहीं तो नहीं होगा. पीस इज अ सोशल वैल्यू. पीस इज अ social value. This is a very simple chapter. Please